Hi, my name is Kristin Jamieson with Success Mortgage Partners. Today we're going to be talking about the differences between a pre-approval letter and a pre-qualification letter and why one's ultimately better than the other. What is a pre-qualification letter? Well, a pre-qualification letter is ultimately a mortgage loan application that we put into the system. However, we haven't verified any of the information that goes along with it. We can put anything that we want into an application and ultimately get somebody approved, but we have the burden of proof. So what we put in for income has to be verified either with pay stubs or tax returns, and what we put in for assets is going to have to be verified with bank statements. So at the end of the day, if somebody just has a pre-qualification letter, their credit has been verified, but none of the supporting documentation has been received from the client, and it has not been put in front of an underwriter. So unless we can verify, it's really not necessarily worth the paper that the pre-qualification letter is written on. As opposed to a pre-qualification, the next step would be actually getting a full mortgage loan pre-approval. And at that point, we have collected all of the income and asset documentation from the client, and we have put it in front of the underwriter. So the underwriter has reviewed everything that's come in and has put their stamp of approval on the loan file, ultimately making the client a cash buyer in a multiple offer situation since they've already been reviewed in underwriting. The only thing we'd be looking in addition to when a purchase contract comes in for somebody that has been pre-approved would be the information on the property. So we'd be ordering the appraisal and the title report. So as long as nothing had changed financially for the client, at the end of the day, it's a faster approval process from contract to close if they've been underwritten up front. As you can see, having a pre-approval letter is almost golden in the mortgage lending process, assuming that the property is going to qualify, and it turns the buyer into a cash buyer, which makes closing or their offer more competitive in a multiple offer situation. If you have any additional questions for myself or my team in regards to being pre-qualified versus being pre-approved, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or my team at 352-242-1535. Thanks.